If you're tired of guessing what's wrong with your customer's car, or even your own, this tool is about to change your garage forever. Today, we're diving deep into the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S-TS, a professional diagnostic scanner that promises speed, accuracy, and full TPMS functionality, all in one compact device. Let's find out if it's really worth your money. In today's video, I'll unbox, test, and review the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S-TS, showing you what makes it one of the best scanners for both professionals and serious DIYers. What is the Autel MP808S-TS? The MP808S-TS is part of Autel's MaxiPRO series. It combines advanced diagnostics, ECU coding, and TPMS activation in a single tablet-style scanner. Built for workshops, yet simple enough for home users. Key features. Here's what makes this tool stand out. Full system diagnostics. Scan all available systems, engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, and more. Active tests. Send commands to components like fuel pumps, windows, and fans, just like OEM-level tools. Built-in TPMS functionality. Activate, program, and relearn sensors directly. Advanced ECU coding. Customize car modules for repair or performance needs. Fast hardware. 4 GB of RAM, Android 11, and 5G Wi-Fi for quick responses and updates. Extensive vehicle coverage. Works on 150-plus brands from the US, Europe, and Asia. How to use. Setup is simple. Connect via the OBD2 port, and the system automatically detects the VIN. From there, you can perform a full scan or select a specific system. Need to reset an oil light, relearn throttle, or program a new TPMS sensor? Just tap and go. The interface is smooth and beginner-friendly, with clear menu navigation. Unboxing and first impressions. Inside the box, you'll get the MP808S-TS tablet scanner, OBD2 cable, USB cable, power adapter, protective case, and quick start guide. Right out of the box, it feels premium. Solid build, large 7-inch touchscreen, and excellent ergonomics. Pros and cons. Pros: fast and accurate scanning, full TPMS functions built in, ECU coding and bi-directional tests, great screen and user-friendly interface, frequent software updates. Cons: annual software subscription after the first year. Slightly bulky compared to smaller scanners. Price and value. The Autel MaxiPRO MP808S-TS usually retails around $900 to $1,000 USD, depending on region and deals. Considering the TPMS, ECU coding, and professional-grade functions, it's a solid investment for shops and serious DIYers. Final thoughts. The Autel MaxiPRO MP808S-TS isn't just another diagnostic tool. It's a workshop powerhouse. If you want a scanner that can handle full diagnostics, TPMS, and coding all in one device, this is the one to go for. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Stay tuned for more honest tool reviews and automotive tips. Thanks for watching.